What happens when a watch built exclusively for the Italian Navy becomes available to the public? That's exactly what's happening with the new Squale 2001 Marina Militare, a professional-grade dive watch developed in collaboration with the Italian Navy and now released as a limited edition of just 500 pieces worldwide. And if you're a fan of military watches, dive watch history, or simply want something different from the usual suspects, this one deserves your attention. Squale may not be a household name, but among dive watch enthusiasts, it's a brand with serious credentials. Founded by Charles von Buren, Squale built its reputation producing robust diving watches and cases long before dive watches became mainstream. One of its most iconic models is the 2001 collection, a watch so respected that legendary explorer Jacques-Yves Cousteau reportedly selected it as a gift for the first officer of the Calypso. The original 2001 also helped pioneer a now famous feature, a crown positioned at 4 o'clock for improved comfort and protection. Fast forward to today, and the Italian Navy, known as the Marina Militare, chose the Squale 2001 as the foundation for a special military-issued watch. Initially available only to Navy personnel, Squale has now secured an agreement allowing collectors to purchase the exact same model. But this isn't just another color variation. The Marina Militare edition features a unique 41.5mm cushion-shaped case that's exclusive to this project. It measures 13mm thick and has a compact 47mm lug-to-lug length, making it surprisingly wearable despite its professional dive watch credentials. One of the standout features is Squale's signature bidirectional bezel with a push-to-release locking mechanism. Once set, the bezel can be locked in place to prevent accidental movement during dives. The bezel insert is crafted from sapphire and finished in a military-requested blue color with fully loomed dive markings. Water resistance? An impressive 600 meters. The dial continues the military theme with a deep blue sunray brushed finish, applied indices, and highly legible hands. As with many professional dive watches, the minute hand is highlighted in bright orange to make it easy to track elapsed dive time at a glance. And at 6 o'clock, you'll find the Marina Militare logo proudly displayed, reinforcing the watch's military connection. Inside beats the reliable Sellita SW200-1 automatic movement in elaborate grade. It operates at 28,800 vibrations per hour and delivers approximately 38 hours of power reserve. The watch comes fitted with a unique blue rubber strap, and Squale also includes a stainless steel bracelet in the box for added versatility. The Squale 2001 Marina Militare is more than just another dive watch. It's a genuine military-developed timepiece with exclusive design elements, serious underwater capability, and authentic naval heritage. Limited to only 500 individually numbered pieces worldwide, it's a rare opportunity for collectors to own a watch that was originally reserved for members of the Italian Navy. Priced at around $1,965, it offers a compelling mix of history, functionality, and exclusivity. What do you think of the Squale 2001 Marina Militare? Is this one of the most interesting military dive watches of 2026? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more watch reviews and industry news.